Alrighty, so guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is gonna be a tech video, but for the first time I'm not gonna be using the track. So since it's COVID-19, I thought I would change it up a bit, instead of having it like the traditional way, just to keep you guys entertained. Okay, so instead of using a tripod, I'll use a mount top. So anyway, since there's nothing really much to do during staying at home, I thought I'll build myself a computer. Now this computer, I have been waiting to build it for a while now, because it started around last year when I started to want to build a computer, but since I had little money, I couldn't afford the parts. So first I started Facebook, and I managed to find this motherboard. It's a B250M Bazooka, which I picked up on eBay for around 40 bucks. Okay, it has VR ready with a DDR4 boost GPU. Okay, there's nothing much more to explain, except it does have a M.2 slot, which can also support the various two storage devices, which I will put up over here. Okay, and for the RAM, this is a 4GB DDR4. Now you're probably thinking, only 4GB. Now I know this is all I could find around, so eventually I will upgrade it, but I'm just trying to like test it out a bit and see what I need to get first before others. Now I also picked up this SSD from eBay, from Facebook, for $25, 128. This is the main hard drive for my computer. Okay, got the CPU. Now this CPU is a bit slow, but it will do for now. It is a Intel of the computer running, and then all the things that this computer has. Yeah, there's nothing much else to explain, except got the fan here. In this case, I actually remember, so I appreciate that. But I'm thinking of buying one from eBay, just so I can last one on the side and with RGB fans. So yeah. But anyway, two things I have picked up from eBay was, number one, I picked up a power supply, 500 watts, because right now I don't have a power supply. And number two, it just arrived a GPU right here. So I already went ahead and unboxed it. So sorry, this video is not going to be edited much. This is gonna be mainly raw, just for something different. Okay. Okay, so let's check out. So this up from eBay, from NVIDIA official store. Have a look. Let me just open up the box. There we go. So I picked up an MSI DDR3 with a PCIe 2.0 HDMI, low profile. It's a NVIDIA GeForce GT 710, which I picked up from eBay for only 70 bucks, including the shipping. Okay, so even though I can't test it and use it yet, I'm gonna install it in the computer with you guys. And when the power supply comes, I can finally install it and start to use this computer. Opening it up. So we get some cardboard, which I'll put aside. So we got the actual GPU, which I'm trying carefully to take off the packaging for installing it. By the way, the reason why I have to keep coming back to camera is because I usually like to put my zoom on, my autofocus on menu, so menu focus, just so I can get better quality. I'm gonna start by taking out this fan cord, so I won't get hanging around. Just to make sure. Nope. Okay, so first of all, having a look at the GPU, fairly small. There's no fan, so it does have a heat sink. So a couple options that you get. Remember to take off this cover for the purpose of shipping. This rubber grommet. Okay. So as you can see, this is the I/O. So we get HDMI and VGA. Okay, also there's another grommet on the actual wonderful guys screwdriver. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking this out. There's a little section over the side. Next we're going to do is pull this little tab out so we can install it. What we're going to do is we're gonna please stick it in, making sure everything lines up, then just snap into place. Yep, you should hear it click and that tab should go in. Okay, and it should just have to quickly change my battery. Okay, so anyway, you want to make sure that everything looks lined up and all good to go. Okay, that looks straight, and make sure that the screw is able to go in like so. Okay, and that thing looks lined up, and that it's all plugged in. Okay, that being said, we can put in a screw. I don't think you really need this, unless you really do need it. I'm just gonna put this back in the box. Okay, so let's finish installing and see how it looks. All these grommets and stuff that came with shipping. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and install 10mm again. Same reinstallation except reverse. So guys, here we are, a nice beautiful GPU. Hopefully it works. Okay, so there we go, another project, another part added. So next thing I'm gonna do is, after we get the power supply, I'm gonna run some tests with you guys. Then afterwards I'm gonna get a better CPU Next I'm going to change the RAM and going to change this case. Okay. I'm going to worry about the parts more and then worry about the case last, because this will do for now. Anyway guys, that's going to be it. Oh, you want to make sure you plug in whatever you want installed. So it's looking pretty nice. And the back, the I/O with all these goodies, and this is the I/O that comes with the motherboard. We have mic in, mic out, USB-C, and a 3.0 USB. We have VR ready, another 3.0 USB, HDMI, they're integrated, so really you could run two. You can actually run monitors with this GPU, and including this one free. It's pretty good. We got Ethernet, two USB 2.0s, DVI, and two computer and old mouse ports. So yeah, next time you see this thing, next time you see this computer, it will be ready. So for you guys, it's just gonna be in this now. Alrighty, so just a quick update. My power supply should be here between Monday to Friday. Today is Sunday. As you can see, yep, last year saw it's currently 10th of May. Okay, and we just moved house, as you can tell, buy a new background. Okay, so recent. So also across this side, door there. Okay, here's the PC that's former glory from last time. It's been a while. So still have the GPU 710. This is a Intel Celeron one with a base speed of 2.0 gigahertz and 2 cores. I know that's bad, but it is what it is. First build. But I did manage to get the cores to go with a maximum of 2. So it's running on all of its cores. But the SP SSD that I bought off Facebook for 25 bucks, as well as the motherboard I bought for $45. Yeah. Thing, so I need to get the screws. It didn't come with any screws, so I had to like try and get some. Here we go. 4 screws. One of them is different. That's because I only managed to find 3 proper power supply screws. So yeah, as well as that, there's also the Wi-Fi card. This one. Oh, Wi-Fi. This is just a USB dongle that I've been using. But I think I got my shipment. This is for my what's it called? Wi-Fi card. So I'm gonna be swapping this out, and this is not Bluetooth as well, so you're just gonna be sticking with this dongle. People are wondering, this motherboard is a B25M, I mean B250M Bazooka. Weird name, but I know. Okay, so I'm gonna get quickly a screwdriver found. Good to go. So first off, I need to put this camera down. First off, I need to take off the ports that are connecting to this front. Then I'm gonna need to also take off the audio plug. Power supply right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off now. Oh, hopefully this cord can fit. Pretty short, so I need to go to the side, get the cord, side, make sure the fan is down. The correct place. So what I'm gonna do is get these screws. We'll go from there. Just noticed that one of the screws. Let's see if I can get you in. See, it's not lining up. Probably can't see it. See, the case is overlapping it, so can't screw it. So it only has 3 holes now, but that's alright. Here's what it is. Okay, I think that's done. As you can see, you have a bunch of cords. I'll show. First up, the main thing, the motherboard power. So we put it through the second hole, and then we kind of twist it, and then yeah, that should be perfect. Okay, just to make sure. Yep, beautiful. Alrighty, so worked it out. I just pulled both connectors out. You can separate them, and then I just plugged it in like that. And see, it's in now, hopefully. Just need to plug back in CPU fan. Stamped in. Okay, and lastly, I need power SATA. Okay. So which one? Okay, this one. And hopefully it will plug right in the way. There we go. Oh no. There we go. She's all plugged in now. And just let me quickly sneak it through. And then lastly, I need to go in and plug back the front board. So HD audio goes in. Yeah. Plug her in. And then lastly, USB. Okay. Go. She looks tidied up now. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good. I'm not going to put in any covers, but what I'm going to do is come back. Oh, I should also install a Wi-Fi card. Okay. Oh, the box. Okay. Oh, Wi-Fi card. 1200 megabyte, 2.4 to 5.8 gigas, 11 AC wireless LAN card. Okay. Let me just hammer it out. Put some discs, instructions. Don't need that. Don't need that. And here we have the All Good and Glory Wi-Fi card with its 2 antennas. Right. Take down. Coming back here. Should be. Right here. They didn't give me any screws, so fortunately I can use the one from the power supply. plug her, screw her in. There we go. She's in tight. Lastly, we need to install these 2 antenna cables. So here's one. That's about that. Look over the mess I made. That's mine. Okay. Snap this cover back on. This little plate that covers up screws and makes it look a bit tidy. Oh, go. Snaps right in. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go and bring it back. First thing we need to plug in is HDMI. That's gone. And some power. Oh, so far so good. Oh, I think get my USB mouse, my new keyboard. And we need to take out USB. Right here, and plug her in into the 3.0 port. Did a first turn on test with you guys. Let's see if she fires up. Okay, everything's in. Okay, here we go. Any bugs? Oh, no bugs. Yes. All right. This is exciting. I've been using my brother-in-law's power supply, so never actually own one. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Wi-Fi card is not working. Yeah. Okay. Now with this Wi-Fi card. Oh, then turn on the mouse. Connected. Wonderful. Okay. She's running, ladies and gentlemen. I am so happy. Wi-Fi card's working. Let me just fix her up. Beautiful. Alrighty, we're done it. Let me just go on Control and delete. Go Task Manager and format. CPU's running, good, SSD, Wi-Fi card, and GPU. Oh, okay, that's exciting. Will it work? Now, lastly, a couple things left, so to remove all this. Okay, so what I need to do next is this hard drive. It's what I've been using to like keep applications and stuff. This has a 1.5 terabyte, so 1 terabyte and 500 gigabytes. Okay, but recently got this 3 terabyte Western Digital that I'm gonna install. Okay, so what I need to do is transfer all my data from there to this one. But first, let's... Oh, so much cords.